Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on it. And here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently kind of applied languages we've got only English. So let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. Let me pick maybe Greek. Just tap, choose the region if you can. And here the Greek language has been immediately applied to the list. However, you can see that the English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Okay. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, that was a misclick. Again, three dots icon, tap on remove, mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and here we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.